Happy Friday, all. Hope everybody's doing good and they're ready for the weekend. Okay, I don't know if I've ever done this type of video yet. Need to get this set of heads out of here. My friend's waiting for them, so need to knock them out quickly. What the problem is this valve seat. Let me focus in a little bit more. The problem is it had a serious pounding on the top of the seat. I'm pretty sure it has to do with the unleaded gas. So I need to yank it. I thought I could valve job it out, but it's just not. I have to 30 the heck out of it. So that's gonna destroy any stem heights. Is going to be seriously out of whack. So seat's got to come out. What this is a tool that's in here. It's an old valve. You just grind it down inside the ID of the seat, past right around that area. So it's basically bottomed out on the guide right now. So I'm going to weld steel, four different points on the seat. Then that'll give me a ledge for the valve to grab onto. I use my hammer on the other side, lightly tap the seat out, and then I can put my oversized seat, hopefully I have one, and worst thing I have to do is got to weld up that seat pocket. Yeah, hopefully we don't have to go there. So anyway, check it out. I'm going to leave the camera running and check out that pretty bright light. Don't get blinded. Make sure you have your welding helmet on. Alright, check it out. Just kidding, by the way. If anybody thinks that they're going to get blinded watching it on a video, it's not going to happen. Alright? I'm the one that has to wear the welding helmet. Okay. Check it out. Okay, so 4 points welded on that seat. Yeah, overhanging the valve, so it's got something there to grab onto. When you weld the 4 points, it preheats the head enough to usually the seat will come out pretty quickly. I sometimes do just 2 sides, and it takes a little longer. I've never had to preheat the head to do this. Usually the head doesn't talk back to me after I get done. I don't hear any crackling or popping or anything like that. It's usually okay. Doesn't try to crack the head, so you can do it cold. Okay, check it out. I'm gonna pound the seat out now. I'll show you. Tap tap there. Here, let's back this off. Okay. Put my glove back on. One valve seat out, so I can replace it. And there's your tool. See how I ground it down? Okay, just take old valves and do that. It came out with a little bit of resistance. At least I know the seats weren't going to fall out. So they were probably in with, I mean, just by the feel, at least 8 to 10 thousandths press. So some of them just fall right out. I've seen some new heads that do that. Won't say any names. They literally will kaplunk right out. One little tiny tap. So that means 4 thousandths press. So anyway, yeah, all done, and done for this segment. Again, I don't think I've done this video before, but check it out. Have a great day. Good weekend. All right, take care. I appreciate you all. Like and subscribe, please. Much appreciated. I appreciate you and YouTube. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.